Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com. In this video, we will recap last week's market action and discuss our trading plan for the week. But first, we have an update for subscribers on a biotech that we covered last year. The company released phase 3 clinical trial results after the bell on Friday, and they are amazing. We are expecting major fireworks when the market opens as a result of these groundbreaking results. Shorts are in trouble. The stock is trading just below its 52-week high. For all full analysis of these results, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up, overall market action. The SPY closed at 407. The stock S&P 500 was down 0.28% on Friday, posting losses in 3 out of 5 sessions. What's interesting for me, though, is that there was just a lot of bad news, and the S&P is holding up pretty well in the face of bad news. So if a market cannot go down on bad news, that is bullish. I'm not saying to go all in on stocks right now, but it's certainly the price action is supportive of possibly higher prices. Right now, we're just at a pivot point, make or break. But again, I think the bears had their chance to take the market lower last week, and they couldn't. So certainly interesting price action going on. News of the week was dominated by economic data on inflation and what it meant for the future of the Fed's path on rate hikes. We saw a lot of volatility during the week. But again, we were just seeing several mixed finishes in the SPY. On Tuesday, the Consumer Price Index report for January came in hotter than expected. Moreover, data on Thursday showed that producer prices also rose more than expected in January. The numbers have sparked concerns that there's still a lot more work to be done to combat inflation, and that the Fed would see reason to keep hiking rates until it saw fit. Comments from several central bank speakers also were overall quite hawkish, with a few such as Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester and St. Louis Fed President James Bullard even saying that they favored 50 basis point rate hikes rather than the current 25 basis points. Other than the two inflation reports, the weekly economic calendar showed that retail sales surged in January, suggesting that consumer spending has remained strong, which in turn could keep prices elevated. Traders also digested data in the form of industrial production, Empire State Manufacturing Survey, housing starts and permits, weekly jobless claims, the Philly Fed Business Outlook, import-export prices, leading indicators, and selected services revenue. We have a big week ahead. Notable companies due to report on Tuesday include Walmart, Home Depot, Coinbase. What else we got here? Options trading implies at least a 20% swing up or down for Coinbase following its report. Walmart has beaten revenue expectations in 8 consecutive quarters, missing EPS estimates only twice in that span. Home Depot has beaten EPS and revenue expectations in 8 consecutive quarters. And if you look at the charts here, these are again trading in ranges. So let's see if these earnings reports can really move the needle in terms of breaking out, either a breakout or a breakdown one way or another. I mean, look at DraftKings, had a strong report on Friday. We got a major breakout here. Certainly got some resistance here just above 2150. We get above that, we're going to test 25 next week. So let's keep an eye on DraftKings. I also talked about that in last week's videos. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report include BIDU, BIDU, TJX companies, NVDA. In the electric vehicle sector, Lucid's report will be of high interest, with options trading pricing in a 15% share price move after the report drops. NVIDIA has exceeded revenue expectations in 8 consecutive quarters, topping EPS estimates in 6 of those reports. Also on Wednesday at 2 p.m., we get the release of FOMC minutes, which will be watched closely for any discussion on the potential for a 50-point rate hike in March. In terms of Lucid, also, according to recent 13F filings, the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund increased its stake in the EV manufacturer in Q4. Rumors have swirled that the Saudi fund may move to acquire all outstanding shares of the auto company. That sparked the rally that we saw at the end of January. Stock ran all the way from $8.99 to $17. So certainly expecting some fireworks on the earnings report this week. What else we got here? On Thursday, notable companies due to report include Alibaba, Wayfair, Moderna. Also, options trading implies a double-digit swing up or down when Block and Carvana report. So we're getting SQ Block reporting on Thursday, and Carvana as well. So certainly going to be an interesting price action there. Alibaba is going to post its fourth quarter results before the bell on Thursday. So far, the company has been up this year in spite of concerns about further diplomatic battles between the U.S. and China. The company has said it's testing a chat GPT-like AI technology, adding to its e-commerce and cloud offerings. We also have popular investors Ryan Cohen and Michael Burry both disclosed stakes in the company in recent regulatory filings. Ryan Cohen, he's taken on an activist stake. He's imploring the company to pursue more share buybacks. Also helping the bullish sentiment in Alibaba, Jack Ma, he's been resurfacing recently. He was recently in Thailand, and he announced that he would relinquish his stake in sister company Ant Financial, which is good for Alibaba, which owns a major stake in Ant Financial, and hopefully they will eventually IPO. The IPO was delayed in early 2022 by Chinese regulators, so hopefully the regulatory crackdown is over and we can see Alibaba start moving much higher again. In terms of Alibaba, EPS estimates are for $2.44. Revenue estimates are for $36.13 billion. Alibaba has beaten EPS expectations in 6 of the past 8 quarters, meeting revenue estimates in 50% of those reports. Also, Moderna shall be interesting. They are reporting before the bell on Thursday as well. Shares have risen 12% in the past year, but remain over 60% below their pandemic peak. Initially, the company has faced increased scrutiny over the pricing and patenting of its COVID-19 vaccine. A Senate hearing on pricing is scheduled for late March. Meanwhile, the company is due to face off with rivals Pfizer and BioNTech in a London High Court in 2024 in a patent infringement case. Elsewhere, the company's RSV vaccine showed strong efficacy in a recent phase 3 trial. On the other hand, its mRNA-based seasonal flu shot fared more poorly, leading to a sharp decline on the Friday before its last earnings report. Consensus estimates for $4.60 a share, revenue $5.02 billion. Moderna has beaten EPS and revenue estimates in 5 of the past 8 quarters. So the stocks I'm talking about I'm basically highlighting the ones that are going to have big moves. Again, a lot of opportunities if you're trading options. I try not to take bets before earnings reports. I mean, is the report going to be good or bad? That's a tough call. That's flip a coin. Go with your gut if you want to play that. But I try to look for the earnings report to come out, listen to the call, and then watch the price action and see if I can catch a major move one way or another. On Friday, we're also at 8:30 a.m. We're getting the second crack at Q4 GDP. We'll arrive from the Commerce Department. Bank of America forecasts an upward revision to 3% from 2.9%. We're also getting the release of the PCE core prices report that has the potential to jolt inflation watchers. Bank of America expects the month over month to be up 0.5% and year over year rates up 4.5% to move higher. So again, a lot of economic data, a lot more earnings reports. It's going to be a big week ahead. Shortened holiday week, but certainly a lot on our plate, a lot of opportunities to make money. We've got the big biotech report that we're releasing to subscribers before the bell on Tuesday. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. This was a big winner for our subscribers in 2023, and we think 2024 is going to be hot, especially with these phase 3 clinical trial results and an increase in the short positions. So certainly we break above 52-week highs this week, and it's really going to get interesting as the shorts are going to be scrambling. So this is a report you're not going to want to miss. So again, make sure you click that link in the description and sign up. Finally, guys, Insider Financial, myself, are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the long weekend. Also remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.